Hey guys, welcome back. So if you're like me and you take stuff apart and then you set it on the shelf and then it takes forever before you get back around to it, sometimes you forget how this stuff goes back on. So I just figured I'd make a quick video to show you guys. So today we are putting our power steering pulley back on, and we have a nice little kit here. It's a pulley puller installation kit. You can pull the you can pull the pulleys off with it and install it back. So for this one, we'll show you guys how we're going to do that. There's a couple of different selections in here. This just so happens to be the tool that we're going to use to install this back. So I'll tell you how this works. So this right here simply just presses on. There are some threads on the inside here, and what we're going to do is we will put our pulley on, get it situated on there about the best we can. Now this is going to thread in like so. And you want to thread it in far enough, pretty much until it stops, because the more threads that you have, the stronger that this tool is, and the less likely you're going to break any threads while you're pressing this on. All right, so now here's the part. Now that this is pretty much as tight as it's going to go, it's bottomed out, this will tighten up to here. And then now we're going to go get some tools to hold this and twist this at the same time. All right, so now we have our wrench on here. This one just so happens to take a 14 on this, and then this is a 17. And now we just take our time, nice and slow, because you want to make sure that the pulley is being pressed on in a nice linear fashion. Right there, feels pretty good. So that should be it. Now we can loosen this back up. And then take this back out. Now, something that you want to check for whenever you're putting this on, you want to try to look over as well and make sure that you're lining this pulley up with your alternator and your tensioner and such. So like right now, I'm looking straight down it, and it looks like I still need to go ahead and push this on in just a little bit to get it to fully line up. So make sure that you're checking to make sure this is lined up properly. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a broke belt or a lot more trouble. All right, guys. Well, I hope this helps somebody. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, guys, and we'll catch you later. See you.